Without using a calculator, work out 1 3 by 8 minus 5 by 6. And you should show all your working and you should give your answer in its simplest form. So without using calculator, you should do. Yes. So what we should do? 1 3 by 8. First, let us convert this into normal fraction. So, sorry, improper fraction. So 8 into 1 is 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3 by 8. That is 11 by 8. Okay, this 1, 3 by 8, I am converting into 11 by 8. Now, from that 11 by 8 minus 5 by 6. Both are unlike fractions. So, what can we do means we have to find LCM of 8 and 6. What is the LCM of 8 and 6? This is 4 times, this is 3 times. And 4 is 1 time, then 3 is also 1 time. So, LCM is 24. So I'm going to convert this 11 by 8 into 24th fraction. Is 8 into 3 gives me 24. Same way 11 into 3 gives me 33. 5 by 6. I'm going to convert this also to 24th fraction. 6 into 4 gives me 24. So 5 into 4 is 20. So instead of 11 by 8, I'm going to write 33 by 24 minus 20 by. So 33 minus this is 13 by 24. Can we reduce it further? No. 13 and 24 doesn't have any common factor. So answer is 13 by 24.